crazy out here. You know, sides of the roads is all jacked up. You ain't got a 4-wheel drive. You ain't hard to get nowhere. It's the neighborhood. Trees. This is our current situation. You ain't 4-wheel driving, you stuck in the crib right now. This is some deep snow to drive through. Damn garbage man that came out here and got the garbage. Shit is crazy. Yeah. Alright, that was our situation right